This GMC Canyon boasts a diesel i4 2.8 liters/169 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 2.8 liters DURAMAX turbo-diesel, DI, 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower, 135.0 kilowatts, at 3,400 revolutions per minute, 369 pounds-to-foot of torque, 500 Nm, at 2,000 revolutions per minute, includes K40, exhaust brake, JL1, trailer brake controller, NQ6, transfer case, 4WD models only, S1K, 16x7, 40.6 cm by 17.8 cm, steel spare wheel and ZJJ, P265/70R16 all-season, blackwall spare tire, transmission, 6-speed automatic, trailering package includes trailer hitch and 7-pin connector. This GMC Canyon comes equipped with these options. All-terrain X package includes RVP, assist steps, black, 3-round step bars, LPO, RIA, all-weather floor liners, LPO, CGN, spray-on bed liner and QJ2, 31 Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, LPO, assist steps, black, 3-round, off-road step bars, dealer installed, LPO, all-weather floor liner includes GMC logo, dealer installed, jet black/cobalt red, cloth seat trim, GVWR, 6,200 pounds, 2,812 kg, bed liner, spray-on, black with GMC logo, audio system, premium GMC infotainment system with navigation and date diagonal color touchscreen includes multi-touch display, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth, streaming audio for music and most phones, featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability for compatible phones, advanced voice recognition, in-vehicle apps, personalized profiles for infotainment and vehicle settings. Includes MCR, data ports and memory card, audio system feature, Bose Premium 7-speaker system. All-terrain preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. Visit us today. Test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.